Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to set up your Shopify account and Shopify store. Shopify is making commerce better for everyone and is supporting the next generation of entrepreneurs, the world's biggest brands and everyone in between. By the end of this video, you will be able to have your own account for free and will be able to set up your Shopify store. The first step is to visit shopify.com. Once you're on the page, enter your email address and click Start Free Trial, allowing you to use it for an additional 3 months after your free trial ends, all for just $1 per month. You can skip through the questions by clicking Skip at the bottom. If you already have a name for your online store, enter it. Otherwise, you can skip this step as well. So, it really just depends on you. But as for me, I love answering these questions since there is nothing right or wrong about it. Confirm your location and click Next. Now, it's time to create your Shopify ID. Choose one of the provided options or continue with your email. It will then ask you to create your password and click Create Shopify ID. But as you can see, I actually have my old account, but I haven't used it for a while now. So, I can still use it. You will now then be taken to the Shopify dashboard, the back end of your store. The very first step we will take together is selecting a theme that resonates with your brand's identity and vision. It is worth noting that the theme you choose acts as the architectural blueprint, setting the stage for your entire storefront. This includes not only the overall aesthetic, but also the user experience, navigation flow, and functionality. So, let's delve into the captivating world of themes and handpick the perfect one to bring your unique online store to life. To select a theme, go to the left side menu, click on Online Store, and then Themes. By default, your store will have the Dawn theme installed, but you have the options to choose a different one. To explore more themes, click Visit Theme Store at the bottom right. You can scroll down a bit if you cannot see it. Then, you'll be redirected here, in which you can browse through various themes offered by Shopify. Now, let's dive into the realm of themes. While premium themes can undoubtedly offer an array of impressive features, it is worth noting that they often come with a hefty price tag, sometimes exceeding $300. For this video, we will focus on free themes, which not only save you a substantial amount of money, but also provide a solid foundation for crafting a visually appealing and functional website. To find these complementary gems, simply navigate to the theme selection panel and filter your search by choosing the free option. This will unveil a diverse array of options that you can explore and experiment with, ensuring that your website aligns perfectly with your vision without breaking the bank. Some recommended free themes are Sense, Ride, and Refresh. These work well for most stores. Feel free to explore others by clicking on them and selecting View Demo Store to see how store could look. For example store, we will choose the Refresh theme. Click on the theme and then Try Theme. Back in your Shopify dashboard, scroll down to see the new theme in your theme library. To activate, click Publish and confirm by clicking Publish again. Your store's theme is now changed from the default Dawn theme to the new one, which in our case is the Refresh theme. Congratulations, you have successfully created your account and set up your Shopify store and chosen a theme that suits your needs. In the next part of this series, we will explore how to customize your store and add products. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating your account on Shopify. You can now start your selling journey. In our next video, I will be teaching you all about designing your store on Shopify. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable e-commerce tips and guides. See you in our next video.